One of the options that you have with grouping is you can group in different medias together. So let's see how exactly we can do that. So I'm just going to add in a title right here as StudioTube, and then I'm going to add in a new card by clicking on this plus icon and then by going into the group option. So once I go into group, I'm just going to select automatic, and then you can see that add content option appears. So if I were to click on add content, you can see that I can add an image, I can add in text, tag, or I can upload different things right here. So these are the options that I can add in. So I'm just going to go around into media. For example, let us choose an image. So I'm just going to go around onto my device and then upload an image from my Dropbox right here. Let's say, for example, into images, I'm just going to insert this out. So this is one type of a media that I have right here. So I'm just going to click on again, and then let's say now I want to add in a text. So I'm just going to say this is a text sentence, just like this. So I'm just going to type it in and maybe copy and paste this out right here. So just copy this out, right? Copy and paste this out right here, just like that. And maybe I want to emphasize this part, just like that. I'm just going to click over here again, and maybe I want to have something like a stack. So I'm just going to add in something like text. So you can see that I can add in text and images as stack right here. So I can go around here and then go to my device and add that in over here. So another one is stack, and then press I'm going to add in another content right here again. So let's say, for example, this time I want to go with some other media like video. So I'm just going to go around to video, and I'm going to upload a video right here. So go to upload and then go around to videos and then select out the video right here, just like this. And then you can drag it in, make it a part, just like that, as you can see. So now I have a group, but now the group has different sort of media. And if we were to go to design, now you can see that this is the group. You got an image, you got a text, you got like a stack of images right here. You can also like go around and work around with it, and you also have a video just like that. But over here, once you have multiple medias, in the group option, there are not many group types that you can choose from. So you can choose only automatic, as you can see right over here. You don't have any other option. But anyways, everything shows up as a group, as you can see right here. And you can go around into storyline and change out its layout as well. So you can just go around, expand this, you can bring this up, down, and so forth, go to design, and the order of the content can be changed out just like that. So that is how you can group out different medias together inside of Microsoft Sway. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.